have a prism here, and this is going to help us with today's activity. Hi, welcome back to the Orlando Science Center. Today I'm here with James, and it's Phenomena Month here during the month of July. What are we going to be doing today?
So part of Phenomena Month actually kind of ties in with our new exhibit, which ironically enough is actually called Phenomenon. And in that exhibit, there is a mirror maze. And today I brought a maze that we can solve with mirrors. I hope you see a connection there.
I do. Awesome. That's really cool. Okay, so we have a bit of a map in front of us. We have some cardboard tubes, some mirrors, and a laser. Let's do this.
We're trying to get from this airport all the way to that airport. So if we can get the laser to touch on this tube anywhere, we'll say that we were successful here.
Okay.
So as far as materials, we've got a couple mirrors we can use here, and we've got 2 prisms.
Okay.
So when we talk about getting that laser over there from one point to the other, 2 of the science terms that we're going to be really thinking about today are reflection and refraction. I don't know how long it's been since you've taken physics or any of those sorts of courses, but...
One of those redirects the light, one bends the light?
Hey, look at that. All right, you want my job? You got it.
There you go.
So yeah, we're going to try and see if we can do this today.
Okay, so we have our laser and it's on, and we want to take these mirrors and reflect them or refract them to get them to this tube, right?
Correct.
Okay, let's work together.
All right, that sounds good to me. So right now we've got it starting off with this prism, and if we look how the light is entering the prism, and then look at the other sides of the prism, we can kind of see where it's exiting as well.
Okay.
Sometimes it helps to hold a hand in front of it to kind of get an idea of where it's going.
Yeah.
So this one's going right about here. I'm going to put a mirror there.
Does it have to go in the squares, or can it just go anywhere?
It can go anywhere.
Oh, I see it. Okay.
So
right now, it's on the other side of this tube.
Sure, yeah.
So I think, are we using this mirror? Could I do
Totally.
that?
I'm fine with that.
So one by one, we're adjusting the mirrors. Oh, there you go.
Did you get it?
No, I'm seeing it go in front of me. So can we grab another prism?
I think I saw something. Hang on.
Where'd you see it?
It's on your arm.
Oh, there it is. Okay. So we're going in this direction. We need to reflect again.
There we go. I think I've got it on your mirror.
There,
Did you see it?
There, right there.
Okay, I'm going to leave that alone.
Do we have another mirror?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, so let's take a look. So we've got it bouncing here, here, here.
Did it get over here yet? Oh, there it is.
Oh, I think we're almost home.
Oh, there, we did it. Look on this side.
Hey, all right.
It's kind of hard to see, but there is the reflection of the laser that is right there.
So using the power of reflection with our mirrors, refraction with our prisms,
That's
we were able to
Great work.
Hey.
We did it. Okay, Phenomena Month here at the Orlando Science Center. Come and join us during the month of July. We'll see you here.